Ever wondered how a ceiling fan is made? It all starts with the motor. At the core of every ceiling fan, there is a system built for precision. Each coil is carefully wound to ensure smooth and efficient performance. Advanced machines handle the process, guaranteeing consistency in every unit. But technology alone is not enough. Every component is assembled by skilled hands, with attention to every detail. From wiring to structure, each step is designed for durability. Before leaving the factory, every motor goes through strict testing to ensure stable performance, low noise, and long service life. Because a great ceiling fan is more than just design. It's the power inside that makes all the difference. Built to last. Built for comfort.